let's make coffee. I want a flat white, but I need it to be small because I have a small mug and I like it that strong. So this is my favorite setting. It knows just how much coffee and milk it takes to fill my favorite mug. But I'm going to turn off my favorite because today I'm making it in a small mug and I'm going to turn it to the small size. It's just got a little mug and I'm going to hit it. It's got a nice bean hopper on the top of there. And first it's going to brew my coffee, or espresso rather, and then it will dispense the milk. I love that it has profiles. It has 4 different user profiles, and you can set it to just how much coffee and milk you like. So there goes our coffee. Our espresso, it has some nice crema on the top of there. And now it's going to do the milk. And there it goes. I love that it steams the milk for you. And you can choose how frothy you want it. Here it comes. This thing makes so many different drinks. I love it. All right. And there's my small size flat white. It's just about perfect. And it's done. And I don't want to save the settings because that's not how I normally make it my big mug. So just making it a small one for a little snack, and it's ready to go. And then it wants me to clean the thing, which I will. But I love that it has, let me show you, it has user profiles, and it remembers how you like your coffee. It is amazing. You can make so many different hot and cold drinks. It does have a separate frother for the cold. The cold brew coffee is really good. It will make plain cold brew or cold brew to mix, where it'll leave you some room. The latte, the flat white, the cold flat white, cold brew cappuccino, highly recommend. I haven't tried the cappuccino mix, but that looks good too. Seriously, there's so many. I usually just, 90% of the time I make the flat white, but the latte macchiato is also excellent. Seriously, there are so many options. Cappuccino is really good. I've tried the cortado, I like that. This is non-dairy milk that I use. It's a mix of coconut and oat milk, so it works great with dairy and non-dairy milks. It's super fancy. We love it. It's a great little in-home barista.